How to delete your App Store search history on your iPhone. Let's get started. So, unlike a web browser, the App Store does not actually have a dedicated search history section. That means you cannot find a clear button where you can just delete everything at once. When you go to search, you might see some recent searches pop up, but that's about it. There's no full history list stored for you to manage. However, there are a couple things you can do. First of all, if you see a recent search suggestion, you can remove them individually depending on your iOS version. You might be able to swipe them away or tap on a clear option. Second, you can manage your purchase history, which is what most people confuse with search history. Inside the App Store, tap on your profile icon. Scroll below, tap on purchase history. And now, find the app you want to remove. And then, you want to go ahead and simply swipe to your left and then tap on hide. This will remove the app from your visible purchase history. Just keep in mind this does not actually delete your search history, it only hides the app from your account list. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.